Hey there, fellow Venmo users. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to use your Venmo balance instead of a card in 2025. If you've got funds sitting idle in your Venmo account and you're looking to avoid the hassle of linking or using your credit card, this guide is perfect for you. Let's jump right in. First off, why bother using your Venmo balance? In 2025, Venmo has made it even simpler with updated features that prioritize security and speed. Using your balance means you're spending money already in your account, which can help you track your spending better and potentially avoid fees associated with card transactions. Plus, it's a great way to utilize that cash from friends or sales you've received. To get started, make sure you're updated to the latest Venmo app. It's crucial for the 2025 enhancements. Open your Venmo app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the You tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll find your profile settings. Tap on Settings, and then scroll down to Payment Methods. In this section, you'll see an option to set your default payment source. Select Venmo balance as your preferred method. This step ensures that for future transactions, your balance is used automatically instead of your linked card. Now, let's walk through a real transaction. Say you want to pay a friend back for coffee. Go to the Pay Request tab, enter your friend's username or phone number, add the amount, and hit Pay. Before confirming, double-check that Venmo balance is selected as the funding source. If it's not, you can switch it right there. Once you confirm, the money will deduct directly from your balance, easy peasy. One quick tip: if your balance is low, Venmo might prompt you to add funds, but remember, we're focusing on using what's already there. Also, keep an eye out for any 2025 specific updates, like enhanced privacy settings that make balance usage even more secure. There you have it. That's how you master using your Venmo balance in 2025. It's a small change that can make a big difference in how you manage your money. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.